We like to move it, move it.
We like to clean it, clean it.
For moving long distance or across the street.
For residential cleaning that can't be beat.
We like to move it, move it.
We like to clean it, clean it.
Easy moving and cleaning.
Brocklehurst Hills now watch over thousands of homes, but 3/4 of a century ago, it was a much different story. Rose grew up on a Tronquil Road farm and jumped at the chance to establish a pictorial history of the North Shore. That will be shown in the North Shore Business Improvement Association's Wilson House. It's open to the public as of today.
And I said, Tracy, we've got to do something. This is our heritage. We have the albums, we have the pictures. Let's get going on this and represent Brocklehurst. She said, good idea. So we got together, laughed our heads silly, cried a little teary eyes.
Tracy and Rose grew up together, both from Yugoslavian families who settled in Brocklehurst in the early 1900s. They contributed the photos in the display and are remembering their past today.
Tracy said the other day, look at her gutchies.
We didn't have much, but you know what? We were happy. We were happy, you know.
As the pictures show, when Yugoslavian families like Rose's and Tracy's settled on Shriner in the early 1900s, it looked much different, and kids were raised differently too.
Why can't we go swimming like the kids in town? We've got to work in the fields. So we had to support our parents and ourselves. That's just the way life was then.
This visit to Memory Lane for some of the North Shore's oldest families is about North Shore pride, and according to Stephen Pahalo, is in honor of the NSBIA's 25th anniversary.
What we want to achieve here with these pictures is we want someone who is from a North Shore family or grew up here or has come home to look and find something that they recognize in some picture somewhere on the wall.
This North Shore lover is so proud to be from the neighborhood, her paper spent $2,000 to make the Heritage Room what it is.
I think the North Shore has the most community spirit in any neighborhood. If the people who live here are proud to be here. And when we do a project on the North Shore, they're so eager to participate.
And this is only the first display with many more photos to be added.
We have a lot of pictures still to go through. It was a big intake. These were the first 20 that we went through and felt really showed the theory behind what we want to be able to display here. So we still have well, we have a couple of binders about this big.
While the display is about remembering the past, Rose isn't living in it.
It can never stay the way it was, which is good, which is good. We all progress, we all change.